Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Windows 10 slow running problems and optimize performance. Experiencing slow performance on your Windows 10 computer can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to improve speed and efficiency. This guide will walk you through practical solutions to fix slow running problems and optimize your system performance. I will show you 10 methods to increase your computer speed. So let's begin. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in the video. So method number 1 is you have to restart your computer. That is basic method to fix your computer issues. To restart your computer, you can just tap on your start menu and you can tap on power icon here, then tap on restart. This will restart your computer. Then after you can see the laggy and slowing problem will be fixed. This is method number 1. So if it is not work, the method number 2 we need. So that is update Windows and drivers. To update Windows and drivers, you have to again go to start menu here and you have to go to setting, just tap on it. Then you can see there's option called update and security in the bottom, just tap on it and tap on Windows update in left side menu. So you can see I have 650 megabyte update right here. You need to just tap on download. If you don't see this kind of message, you have to tap on click for check for updates button will be here. Then it will be check the updates is available. Then it will automatically download the updates. Then after you have to restart the computer. Then your lagging problem will be fixed. This is method number 2. Method number 3 is you have to disable the startup programs. The startup programs also affect to slow down your computer. To disable those, you have to just right click on the taskbar and go to task manager here. You can do this same thing just using pressing Ctrl Shift plus ESC. Then after you can see there is a tab called startup. Just tap on it. These are the applications affect for startup. So you can see I am currently disabled most of the application. This one is currently enabled. If you see some enabled application here, just tap on it and you can see there is a message appeared disable. Then hit it, then it will be disabled. Please make sure necessary applications should be enabled. Okay, so after you disable most of the application, then it will be fast boot and fix the lagging issue. So this is method number 3. Method number 4 is you have to run disk cleanup. Time to time the disk has added the junk files kind of things, so you have to clean those things manually. To do that, you have to just go to this PC. Then you can see in my case I have 4 volumes here. So in the C drive I have installed the Windows. So just right click on that drive, then go to properties here and you can see there's option called disk cleanup. Just tap on it. Then it is calculate the junk files. You can see totally I have 202 megabytes junk files. You just need to tap on OK. And if you need to clean the system files also, just tap on system files. Then it will be shows a lot of little bit bigger menu. Then you have to tick all the files you need to clean. Then after tap on OK. Then it will be clean your junk files. Okay, that is method number 4. Method number 5 is you have to uninstall unnecessary programs. Sometimes you install a lot of programs but you don't use those. So you have to manually uninstall those applications. To uninstall that, you have to go to start menu here and go to setting. And there is option called apps. Just tap on it. Then waiting for load it. Okay, now it is loaded. These are the application you are currently installed in your computer. Scroll down and you can see some of the applications you will never use and you don't need those things. As an example, if you think you don't need Etsy here, just tap on it and tap on uninstall. So that will uninstall the application from your computer, and it will reduce the disk usage in your computer. Then after uninstall all the unnecessary programs, you can restart the computer. Then it will be speed up your computer. So method number 6 is you have to adjust visual effects. To adjust the visual effects, you have to right click on this PC here and go to properties. Wait for loading. Okay, you can see there is a option called advanced system setting in right here. Just tap on it, and okay, you can see there is option called setting in the performance section. Just tap on it. Okay, now you are in visual effect tab, and you can see there are 4 options here. You can adjust for best appearance and adjust for best performance, and you can manually change this information. So if you don't need to what things happen from this option, you can just tap on adjust for best performance. You can see all the ticks are disappeared. So then after you can apply an OK. So it will be make your computer very fast, because these are the best performance options you can choose. So then after tap on OK. Now I am not going to do that, so I will keep it as it is and hit OK. Alright, this is step number 6, and step number 7 is you have to use ReadyBoost. If you don't know what is ReadyBoost, ReadyBoost is a mechanism you can use your computer using USB flash drive. But please remember, this can only work if you install the Windows on hard disk. If you install the Windows on SSD drive, so you can't use, because SSD is already speed device. So if you install your Windows on your hard disk, you just go to this PC. You can see there is no USB drive here. Now I am going to plug my USB drive into my computer. Alright, now you can see my drive is here. Then after, what you have to do is just right click on it, then USB drive, go to bottom. You can see there is a properties here. Just tap on it, and you can see there is a tab called ReadyBoost. Just tap on it. You can see this device cannot be used for ReadyBoost because my Windows is installed on SSD, so I can't use that. If you install your Windows on your hard drive, then you can see there is option called use this device. So just tap on it, then your computer will be speed using the USB drive. So it will be help you to increase your computer speed. So this is step number 7. Step number 8 is you have to check for malware. So malware, it is lot of affect to your computer speed. To check that, you have to go to search bar, type on security. You can see there is option appeared Windows security. Just tap on it. Then you can see the first option, virus and threat protection. Click here, and you can see there is option called quick scan. It will be take around 5 minutes to completely check your computer and find the viruses or some malwares here. Then they will clear those things. It also help you to reduce your computer from virus and increase your speed. So this is step number 8. And step number 8 is you have to optimize your hard drive. So to do that, you have to go to search bar again and type defragment and optimize drives. So you can see the first option here with this kind of visual icon. Just tap on it. It will take small time to open. Alright, now you can see every hard drive in this computer, it is appeared here. If you need to one of the drive to defragment, just select that one, and you have to tap on optimize here. Then it will be defrag the drive and make your computers fast. So this is method number 9. The last one is you have to update your hardware. So this is a hardware method. if none of these methods will not speed up your computer, you have to upgrade your hardware. In case that you can first you can update your hard drive into SSD, because it will be more effective to increase your speed. So usually SSD is 14 times faster than hard drive. So first you have to do is use SSD drive at least 120 GB. So this is first method. So other than that, you can increase your RAM. If you have 4 GB RAM, you can increase it to 8 GB or 16 GB, kind of things you can do. So yeah, these are the 10 methods you can use to increase your performance and speed of your computer. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. So if you think this video is useful, please consider subscribe and liking the video. See you soon in new video kind of things.